Ladies and gentlemen, how do? Back on the Steve Parrish F1 bike. What are we up to at the moment? Okay, I'm putting on the coolant hoses. I'm going to reuse some of the bike's original hoses because I'm all about originality. But I also know where to draw the line. So if the slightest concern that it's going to stop us getting the bike out there and it being ridden, I'm not going to do it. So some of the hoses, we've got this one here, this one here. Let me come around the bike. These here go into the auxiliary radiator. They're in good order. I know some of you are going to be saying, "Oh, Chris, put new ones on." Look, I told you, I'm all about originality. And the vast percentage of hoses you get out there are silicone. I'm not putting silicone hoses on it. They weren't around then, and they're not around now as far as I'm concerned. Oh, I managed to reuse the one on the water pump housing there. So I've closely examined them, and I'm going to reuse them. These two here, however, I've decided not fit for purpose. They're not going back on the bike. We'll keep them to one side. It's part of the bike's history. So these will go in a box. You can see just there, put my finger inside it. We can see that's breaking through. It's not safe. But other than that, I'm happy to reuse these other sections, despite them being, you know, what, 40 years old or thereabouts. But, you know, all about originality. So I've ordered some hoses up, conventional style, not silicone. When they turn up, we can get these linked on, cooling system filled up, that little bit closer. These are going to be quite a bit of fun, really, because you won't even be able to see it. So right down there, you have a cross-link pipe between the lower cylinders. There's a hose connector on there, which goes to, does that go to here, I think? And then you have another one that goes to the lower cylinder head, which is this long piece here. So it's quite a tortuous path down there. I don't know if you can see, it's a little bit clamped. Anyway, we'll be able to get them in. They went in originally. They'll be okay now. Just have to watch the routing. So it'll be front. It'll be the radiator off and possibly the front subframe, the carrier bit, that zinc nickel plated bit. But we'll have a see. Whatever we need to do, we'll put them on. So I've ordered those hoses up, waiting for those, put them on, check for coolant loss, make sure you're happy with that, but that one step closer. So there we are, just a short video. Not much I can do till those hoses come, hopefully tomorrow. If I'm happy with them, then, you know, we can get them fitted and get that bike there one step closer. Right, ladies and gents, Father's Day today. For all those fathers out there, happy Father's Day. And all the mothers as well. Let's be inclusive. Folks, look after one another. Catch up my other videos on YouTube. Keep coming back. Be lucky. Look after yourselves. Take care.